Hello, this is a tutorial on how to use GarageBand with your Mac. TravelSax with your Mac and GarageBand. Let's fire up GarageBand. Wait a few moments until it opens up. Yep, we are waiting a little bit. Okay, so you want to create a new project. You want an instrument software, create. Wait for it. Okay. Here on the left side you have the instruments. You may want to select a piano. You can do that by going onto orchestral, woodwinds, and saxophone. Now the saxophone will be selected. Now you just have to plug in your TravelSax via USB. Only remember to power the TravelSax before connecting the cable, and then you're good to go. You can blow and play. And that's how you play with GarageBand.